Good evening and welcome to another edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Dancehall artist Popcorn is offering musical inspiration to many. He has recently teamed up with reggae recording artist Dre Island to deliver their latest single titled We Pray. The single speaks to challenges faced by everyday persons and in the same breath is offering encouragement and motivation. The song is produced by Dre Island and E5 Records. We Pray is from Dre's upcoming project I Now Rise. Dre Island and Popcorn have also released the visuals for the single in the form of a mini documentary which features the fast-rising Jamaican athlete D'Jour Russell. The unruly DJ prepares for his highly anticipated debut performance this Friday at the Red Bull Culture Clash in Atlanta, Georgia. Pep's Refresh Tour hits the 3-year mark. The ultimate musical tour has delivered 8 weeks of fun and excitement and winds down this Saturday with a number of top dancehall acts all ready to deliver the Pep's Refresh Tour experience.
I'm excited to be here again. Pepsi Refresh Tour for me, it's a show of excitement, a show of fun, and the fact I love about them the most is they always go for artists that are unconventional. They go for talent, they go for people who have positive images, and they make sure that they pick people who really can reach out to the community. You can't expect me to just do whatever comes to my mind. I just like to go out there and have a good time and make sure that the crowd is having a good time. And I mean, it's not that hard when you're hosting a show with people like Assassin, Christopher Martin, Ding Dong, Ikea, and did I mention Idonia? Yeah. So I mean, I'm going out there to have fun. So what you can expect is I'm going to have fun on a mission to make you have fun. So people just got to remember the gates open at 6 o'clock sharp, all right? Now we got some crazy early performers, and I don't want to call them early acts, but they are performing before the main acts, but you need to see them. So you got to get out there early to catch that. That kicks off from 8:30, all right? So the Pepsi Refresh Tour, 214 Spanish Town Road, that is the place to be Saturday, August 26th.
Rotterdam Music Festival 2017 celebrated this year's staging with an African theme. The festival, known for pulling one of the largest crowds for the staging of an international reggae festival, features many of Jamaica's top acts annually for the big event. Shaggy, Kimani Marley, Beenie Man, Raging Fire, Christopher Martin and many others graced the main stage, delivering exhilarating performances. On the international scene, the legal woes of rap icon DMX is far from over. The artist is facing multiple charges for tax evasion. The rapper, who was placed under house arrest early this month after failing at least 4 drug tests, had since copped a deal to be free of house arrest, but in exchange, he will enter a drug rehabilitation program. DMX has pleaded not guilty to the tax evasion charges, and if convicted, he could serve some prison time. DMX is also working on his new album.
I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. I'm here. New album.
And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.